Hey guys, in this one I'll be showing you how to integrate Paystack into your React Native apps using this beautiful package I made. It's called React Native Paystack Webview. It's pretty much easy to set up, but for the longest time I've been getting feedbacks that a lot of you have been having issues integrating this with Expo, and for that reason alone, I thought it would be nice to actually have a video to really explain how to set up this package. So let's get right to it. We would actually have to first install our React Native app, our Expo app. Just go over to the Expo's website, and over here it says you have to definitely install the CLI, but I already have this installed. I would suggest you installing it if you want to go with Expo, or you plan on using Expo to build, or you just want to follow along. So the next step would just be to install or start up a new project using the Expo command. So for me, I'll be running that command, but I don't really think it's necessary naming it my project, so just name it Paystack for now. Okay, so Expo comes with like different workflows. For me, I want to work with the blank. We're really not building anything big, so this really works for us. It's gonna take a while to install, so we'll have to exercise some patience. So finally, we finally have our Expo project installed. Would have to go into that work directory, my Paystack. So the command is cd Paystack, and you can just open this up in code so you can see what we're working with. Yeah, sorry about that. So now we have our project all set up. Let's run it. Let's be sure it's working. The command for that will be unstart. I think it's loading the yes, so this is running on the app on the iOS emulator. So yeah, we have our app running, and let's just go over to our app.json. I'll be writing most of the code. So we basically have everything running now. The next thing we'll have to do is install the package. The next command will be to install the package, and to install it you would have to run yarn add React Native Paystack Webview. So let's just copy this and we'll just paste. And now Paystack Webview is now installed. The next thing we would actually need to do is install React Native Webview. Very important. Since we're working with Expo, we would have to use this Expo install React Native Webview command. Yeah, and now we have everything that we would need installed, so we just have to write our code now. Moving on, it says the usage, so we would have to first import this package, and since we've imported it, we now then need this block of code to work with it. So I'm just going to clear clean off this title because we don't really need it, and paste the Paystack code in there. So the app isn't showing us any red screen, so I think we're still on the right track. The first thing you will notice here is we don't have button showing, our pay now button showing, and the reason why that isn't showing is because this show pay button is reading false, so we need to change that to true. Now it's true. You can see that the pay now button is now visible. One more thing we have to set up are the Paystack keys, both the secret and the public. You would really need a Paystack account to get these keys, so I'll recommend going to Paystack to create your account, and I left the description below for this link. So I already have my Paystack account, and let's just assume this is the entry board that I meet when I log in. So you would have to go to the top right corner and hit settings to get to this page. While on this page, you just need to hit API keys and webhooks. Once you are here, you would see your test keys right here. I need my public key, so I'm just going to copy this, and my public key is actually my Paystack key. For those of you that don't know, I'm just going to paste that here. Oh, sorry, I think I made a mistake. And I'll paste that here. The next thing I need is my secret key, so I'm just going to copy this and come over here to my Paystack secret key and paste it over here. And I just need to save this, and we can try it out and hit the pay now button. And you can see the package actually works. Let's pay with card. Let's see it through. Success. And yeah, it really works. It does really works. When the package actually verifies the payments for you on its own, so you don't really need to stress about verifying the payment, but still it will still process the payment if you don't want it to verify the payment for you. The on success callback is actually where you would want to work with more, because it gives the response of what actually happened with this payment. So we're just going to console log the callback so we can be sure what happened, and we'll just try this payment again and give it a success. Yeah, please. But you can see that we've gotten this object, response object, after the success, which gives us a lot of data that you can now use to continuously billing this said user. Give us the brand of the card type, and the channel. A whole lot of data going right here you can use to your advantage. And that's pretty much it for this package. It does quite a lot, and it's actually really easy to set up, and I hope with this tutorial it will help a lot in setting this up in your application. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would really much appreciate it, and feel free to start the project on GitHub and share. Till the next one, bye.